Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I thought I would do a cat and dog or pet page in my glue book. This was in my cat and dog section, and that does not belong there. This belongs with farm animals. So I do have some squares, which I may put down first. And then put some little embellishments on the top. But I do also have this very large, actually two very large cat pages, or cat faces. Maybe I could do 2 pages. Look at that. But I kind of don't want to put a background paper here. So let's see if I can cover this up with squares, if I have enough. I might not. Sort of. Sort of. There would still be something right there, but what if I did this? I'd still need something back there, though. I've got this, too. Let's see. What if I did that? We've got that and that. It's okay if I cut off some words, but don't really want to cut off his feet. I don't know. I just don't think I'm cut out for for making these. Let's see. Here's some little squares. Maybe this will work. There's a fish jumping out of the water. Okay, what if we did something like that? Look at all these little ones. And then we still have this strip across the bottom, though. I could put washi tape down. In fact, why don't I put a piece of washi tape down on the bottom, across the bottom, before I even glue anything down. I have cats. That would be perfect. Hopefully it's big enough. So, we'll cut this. I think it's right here. Let's go ahead and put that down. So how are y'all doing? Hope you're having a glorious spring. We've been having glorious weather. And I'm here for it. I love glorious weather. We're having our cookout. Oops. We're going to be having our cookout on the Memorial Day. There. And I think I'm just going to kind of trim that off a little bit. And a bunch of our kids and grandkids are coming, so that's good. I have to get into the habit of cutting these out from the magazine with one of these and not scissors, because I don't get them straight. Oops, I don't want to ruin you. Okay, so this is going to go there. Let's glue that down. Okay, my paper, my gluing paper. And I think I might go ahead and do something on the other side too. Why not? I don't have a lot of pet stuff though. So I may be all out of pet pictures after this. Okay. It's so hard to tell. Yeah, it needs to move up a little bit on this side. There we go. Glue is on the wrong side of my picture. Got this. Alright. And the next one could either be this, which fits perfectly. This is what I was going to put there, but this fits so perfectly. I think I'm going to put that one there. Do you have a garden at your house? Do you grow like flowers, or do you grow vegetables? Do you have any like outdoor space? My daughter-in-law that lives in Brooklyn, she grows things in containers on her balcony, so that's kind of cool. All right, there's that, and I believe we were going to put that there, and I am just going to go ahead and cover that over there. We grow stuff. We used to have a bigger garden where we lived before because we had 7 acres, but here we just have mostly a few raised beds that we grow. I feel like I want to cut her out. Sorry, lady. I just want the dog. We grow spinach and lettuce and kale, and we make kale chips with the kale, and let me tell you, they are delicious. Just want to clean that edge up a little bit, and I was afraid the cutter would ruin it. Well, that fits perfectly right there now. So my whole plan is changing here with my page. That's okay, right? We're allowed to change our minds. Okay, that's going there. Now I could, like, put this here, and I could just cut off some of the top. So how much of it would I have to cut off? This much. And then we'll see how much of the side to cut off. And take it from there. Okay. So basically, right here. Do you do glue booking, or do you just enjoy watching it? I know that's how I started. I saw a video that said something about glue booking, and I'm like, what the heck is glue booking? And, oh, it's too short. I made it too short. Well, I guess I could put something there. A little one like that, maybe. You know, something like that. Or I could put washi tape there. Just a smidgen too short. And then I just watched Nicole Relax Cut Glue for a long time before I actually decided to try to make my own glue book. I think we need to move over a tiny bit. Oh, no. I guess I didn't cut it too short. That doesn't look bad. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it was too short. There is a little bit of a line right there, though. All right, and now we need something to fit in here, which will probably be this one. But of course, we will have to cut it down a little bit. Let's see. I don't want to cut too much of him off, though. But I could cut this here. I might just cut the tip of his head off, and right here. And that should work. Maybe I'll cut a little bit over this way. I know. I don't want to end up being too short, you know? Because that happens sometimes. Alright, so I'm going to cut a little bit to the other side of that one. And a little bit to the other side of this one. Is that? Yeah, just a tiny bit. And let's see how that's going to fit there. Alright, that's perfect. We're going to go with that. And I did it. I covered the whole page with squares of dogs and cats. And now the trick for me is how to put the fussy cuts and little things on top. Let's figure out what we can put on top as little embellishments. Like, I have this kitty, but I think it's too big. Oh, it could go there. I could put the kitty there. That would work. What else have we got here? We don't have too much fussy cut. I don't think this bag of food is small enough. And we've got these little ones. Oh, here's some more. How about these guys? And I have this fussy cut kitty. He kind of needs to be on the bottom. Well, I do think I'm going to put that there. And I also have this cute little sticker. I could put that there. I don't know. I don't feel like these will look good there because they're not... Here, what about this one? Could go there, or it could go there. Let's put him there, and then where do I put him? I don't have another spot for him. But I like this one better, so that's going there. Let's do that. Okay. All right. Beautiful blue eyes. And this one we just kind of decided not to use. Put that back. What about if I fussy cut like him out? He kind of looks like this dog. He could just kind of hang out there. I don't know. I am feeling like my fussy cuts need to be smaller. What about this? What's this? Oh, here we go. Here's a little one. Like I could put that one there. I don't think so with that one. What's this one? Oh, here's another little dog. Now he could go there. What about down here? I feel like we could put him right there, or should we put him right there? He could go there. Where'd he go? Where will he go? I don't know. I'm stumped. Let's see. Where'd he go? This one and this one. I kind of feel like everything I'm putting on is on this side, though. What if? And then that's covering his face. He could go there, but he's kind of washed out. No. Let's see. See if this one looks better up here. I kind of feel like I like the cat better there, even though it's a little bit blending in there. So let's put the kitty right here. Okay, got that. I'm wondering if I just kind of want to cut a smaller dog out. Okay, so I cut these little poodle out, and I'm going to put her or him right there. And I got this little pug that I'm going to put there. And, oh, too much glue there, but too much glue. And then I got this cute sweetie, and he's going to just go here. And then I'll see if I think it needs anything else to go on there. And let's do it. Here? Yeah, right there. And so there we go. How does that look to you? Do you think we need to add anything else? I still feel like this blends in too much, but it's too late now. I think I'm okay with it. Could put something here or here, but I think I'm going to just leave well enough alone. Alright, so I am going to use this polka dot paper and the Fabri-Tac glue because I don't want it to get too wrinkly. Okay. So I am going to put this one on all the way up in the corner like this. But what else am I going to put on? That's the question. Let's see. We already decided he was too big. So we could do him. He can go right there. What about this one? That's cute. I don't think you can see. I don't think that looks good there. Let's see. What about the cat in the box? That would be alright. And we've got still this little cat. And, or should I make this go to here? And then he could go here. Why is it so hard to decide? Could go there. Got this one. I'm really having a hard time with this. So far, I'm kind of liking this the best. Yeah, I'm kind of liking that the best. So let's do that. So that's what we're doing there. Let's go ahead and cut this part off. Okay. Now we're going to put him there. So let's get him glued. This one was going to go here. So I was thinking about making like a traveler's notebook size journal or close to that size and making it an inchy and twinchy. I think I have a different one for twinchies. An inchy. You know, I ordered a 2-inch square punch and it said it was made a 2-inch hole on it. And I checked to make sure that that's what the product description said. This is just wrinkling up on me. Yeah, why is this wrinkling up so bad? And it was only like 1 1/4. It only made a 1 1/4 inch square. I almost made a disaster out of that. So, you know, when I saw that it was smaller than 2 inches, I wanted to send it back, of course, because I already have one that's 1 inch. But, so I checked the product description again, and it did. It said a 2-inch. It said it made a 2-inch square hole. But it didn't really. But I did get my money back, so. And then I exchanged it for this tab cutter. I wanted one of those for a long time, too. So, this little, is that a Boston Terrier or I think it's a Boston Terrier. I don't know. Some of the French pugs and or the French bulldogs, they all look the same to me. Oh, he's cute. Put him there. I think we shall put him there, but I'm going to cut him out a little bit better. Because I see some weight. I hate when that happens. And you know, every time I go to a store, I can never find what I'm looking for. One time, I just wanted a toilet bowl brush, and I had to order it. I could not find one anywhere in my city or a neighboring town. Anywhere. Now, granted, we do, you know, our city is a rural city, so there's not a lot of options to choose from, but I was just like, can you see what I'm doing? I was flabbergasted that I had to order a toilet bowl brush. Okay, there we go. Is there anything else we could put? I don't think so. Maybe this one. This would be the only other one I would... Yeah, we could put him there. I don't know where else I would put this thing. It's kind of cut weird. Or could he go there? Let's put him there and see if this one fits there somewhere. I was thinking that could go right there. Yeah, that fits. That looks good there. I think, in my opinion. Sometimes I watch other people's videos And I feel bad because they're almost like apologizing and put his ear there. And like justifying their artistic decisions, and I just don't think that's right. I just don't. But anyway, here is my 2-page spread of cats and dogs. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Stay happy, healthy, safe, and strong. Bye-bye.